Welcome to ClickBaitPays. This is a simple digital income model built around daily participation, campaign activity, and referral sharing. The concept is straightforward. Create your account, activate your campaign level, complete your daily clicks, and build cash flow through your own activity and direct referral rewards. Click into a new era of digital income, where everyday people can create extraordinary results, one click at a time. ClickBaitPays operates through a simple four-step process. First, you create your account using your sponsor's referral link. Next, you deposit and purchase an ad campaign at the level you choose. Then, you activate that level one time, which unlocks your ability to earn from daily clicking. Finally, once your earnings cycle completes, you can withdraw, repurchase another campaign, or continue scaling your activity. The model is designed to be simple enough for the average person to follow, while still allowing more serious users to build larger cash flow strategies over time. To get started, you'll use your sponsor's referral link. Once you open the site, click Join Now, confirm your sponsor username, and complete the registration process. After registration, log in and review your dashboard so you understand where deposits, campaign purchases, ad clicking, and earnings are located. One important note: each household can create up to 3 accounts, and each account must use its own unique email address. Once your account is created, the next step is funding. You'll go to the deposit section, choose your preferred crypto option, send funds, and wait for the account to be credited. From there, you select your preferred campaign level and purchase your ad campaign. Each account can have up to 3 active ad campaigns running at the same time, which is important for people who want to stagger campaigns and create more consistent weekly cash flow. After purchasing an ad campaign, you activate the campaign level. This activation fee is paid one time per level, not every time you buy another campaign at that same level. For example, if you activate level 7 once, that activation covers your level 7 earning ability for the campaigns you run at that level. Once activated, you go to the Click Ads section each day, view the required ads, and complete your daily clicks. Ads reset daily at midnight Panama time. As you complete your daily clicks, earnings are generated into your earned wallet. Those earnings are held for the required holding period before they can be released. After release, you can choose your next move. You can withdraw earnings, repurchase another ad campaign, or scale into additional campaigns. The main strategy many users consider is staggering campaigns 1 week apart, so that after the initial setup period, campaigns begin completing on a more consistent weekly rhythm. Here's a simple level 1 example to understand the basic mechanics. At level 1, the ad campaign is 13 USDT, with a one-time activation fee of 1 USDT. You click 3 ads per day, and the campaign completes after 12 click days. At completion, the user earnings shown are 17.17 USDT. The same structure applies across the higher levels. The campaign size, activation fee, daily clicks, and earnings simply increase as the level increases. As you move through levels 2 through 7, the financial picture becomes larger. Each level has a different campaign cost, activation fee, number of daily clicks, and total earnings potential. Level 2 is a smaller starting point, while level 7 is the highest campaign level shown here. The key thing to understand is that the activation fee is one time for that level, while the campaign cost applies each time you purchase a new ad campaign. So the first campaign at a level has a higher total out-of-pocket cost because activation is included. After that, future campaigns at the same level only require the campaign purchase amount. ClickBaitPays also includes a direct referral reward. When someone personally enrolls through your referral link, purchases and activates an ad campaign, completes their daily clicks, and reaches campaign completion, you can earn 10% of their campaign completion value. For example, if a personally enrolled member completes a level 2 campaign, the direct reward is 11.30 USDT. At level 4, that direct reward is 43.20 USDT. At level 7, the direct reward is 360 USDT. This is why sharing the opportunity can matter. Your own campaign activity creates one layer of earning potential, while personally enrolled referrals can add another layer of cash flow. That's the simple ClickBaitPays overview. Create your account, choose your level, activate and click daily, then decide whether to withdraw, repurchase, or scale. To get started, grab your sponsor's referral link and follow the setup process. Thank you for exploring ClickBaitPays. Click into a new era of digital income. As with any online earning opportunity, results may vary based on participation level, campaign selection, timing, platform rules, and user activity. Review the official materials, understand the process, and only participate at a level that makes sense for you.